All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol OCGN, Ocugen Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And as we jump into this chart, I do want every single investor to be aware that I have a new ticker symbol you won't want to miss towards the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. We're going to look at its chart and the potential of growth moving forward and what sector it's in. So stay tuned. So OCGN, Ocugen Inc. hit its lowest point in this bearish trajectory, and now it's bounced back, right? It hit a low here of 153, slightly down to 142, leveled off, and brought itself back up. So we're going to look at some resistance levels and support now based off the chart. And I want every single investor to be aware of the fact that this stock has only ever had a huge run, right, based off of news. We've been talking about it in previous videos and so forth. So if there's a run now, a lot of investors are saying that this could be the next short squeeze stock. And I've seen a lot of investors talk about jikh as well. So we definitely want to watch this carefully going into tomorrow and the beginning of next week. But remember, tomorrow is Friday, the end of the week. So we need to see what's going on here. If this levels off, cools off, or actually takes a jump upwards, because it's already building momentum towards the end of the day. So the 50-day moving average is 176. Now, our support here is 169. Right now, we're above the 50-day moving average in bullish territory. If it pulls back and breaks through the 50-day moving average, the support level in bearish territory is 169. We want to watch it carefully. And if it gets broken through, the next support level is down here at 156 to see if the bulls are trying to reappear or are the bears tearing this one down fairly quickly. But before worrying about anything below here, 169 is an important support level to watch. If the 50-day moving average gets broken through, you want to see how it's doing in between support and the 50-day moving average, and if the bulls can reappear and bring this back up before it goes any further down. Now, our highest point reached in the day is 198. So the bulls definitely want to break through that, but the first resistance level after this recovery and slight rejection is 195. So the bulls definitely need to break through this to reach newer highs. I want to emphasize this. 195 needs to be broken through by the bulls. The bulls need to break through 195, turn it into a support, and pull further away from the 50-day moving average in the upward direction. So it's super, super important for every single investor to pay close attention to the fact that 195 needs to be broken through for this momentum to continue and for the bulls to work their way up to newer highs and new resistance levels. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. Stay tuned till the end because I have a ticker symbol you won't want to miss, and you definitely want to add it to your watch list. So for everyone that has stayed to this point in the video, the stock I'm about to share with you guys is in the energy sector. For most of you guys that are aware of the energy sector and renewable resources, a lot of people are focusing on fuel cell, plug power, blink charging, other stocks like NextEra Energy. Those are all great stocks to focus in on. But the one I'm coming across right now, and it's going to be an effective merger sometime soon, is STPK, Star Peak Energy Transition Corp. Now, based off of what I've seen, they're going to merge with STEM, based off of the research that I've seen and what I've seen in articles. Now, if anybody wants to reiterate that or go ahead and correct me, you're more than welcome, or confirm that for me. I would appreciate that. But STPK, the energy sector is booming. And this is a merger company that has just been running since, the blank check started to be publicly traded. We've seen it go from literally $10 all the way up to $37, almost $40, come right back down to $24, and it's running up to already almost $30 and leveled off at $28. I need every single investor to be aware that it's a little bit volatile And it's definitely one you need to do your research and see if you believe in the company so you can make your own rational decision as an investor. But this is definitely one to watch going into the year, especially with how the energy sector is reacting to the new administration, and also the way things are being revamped up to go ahead and push for cleaner energy. Like, that's becoming almost from, quote unquote impossible goal, or like a taboo, almost turning into a norm. That's going to be the future. And we're taking steps into the future. And if you really think about it, we are in the future as we speak, as we see, as we move. So this is something that's becoming a reality. So STPK, whether the merger goes ahead and goes through, I believe it's actually already confirmed, and that's why there's this type of bullishness, that there's going to be so much room for this company moving forward. So STPK is definitely one you want to have on your watch list. Keep it on your radar. Do your due diligence. Do your research. But so much potential here. And the volatility is not unhealthy. I mean, it pulled back, but it's running right back up. And we want to see if this consolidates within this area. Or will it pull right back down around this area, consolidate till the next catalyst, and actually push itself up? Because every single time it's pushed itself up, kind of moves sideways, upwards, a little bit down, and then it ran up. And here we are already seeing it a little bit down and already running up. We want to see if it continues to run up to newer highs, new resistance levels, or will it kind of cool off, and it lets us know if this may be an opportunity to go ahead and do a rational decision as an investor. So I hope that if you didn't know or weren't aware of this company, or you were and you completely forgot about it, you keep this one in mind moving forward, because the opportunity of growth potential is there. And how fast it's grown and the merger hasn't even executed is pretty impressive. And that just tells you how much more bullish the sentiment of investors is, and how the future outlook for this company merger / sector is moving forward. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, let's make some money. To everyone that stays till the end of the videos, I want to say thank you. And I wanted to take a moment to recognize that from every single investor and viewer, not just for the video and the sake of watching it, but the sake of you as an investor putting that extra effort to want to know more and grow. I'm going to post soon a video where I explain the value of these ticker symbols that I'm posting towards the end of the video, and what my goal truly is on why I do it, and what I want investors to take away from it, and especially with all the volatility we've been seeing in the market recently. So I want you guys to stay tuned on in, and it's going to be called, if you are a subscriber, you must watch, and if you're a first-time viewer, welcome, and I hope you enjoy the video, you must watch. Something like that. I'm going to give it some type of heading, and I really would love for every single investor to tune on in on the information I'm going to share. I would appreciate everyone's patience, because I'm going to go over a lot of things, but it's going to be way more valuable than any chart analysis and any ticker symbol I can ever tell you guys to add to your watch list. I'm here to share with you guys valuable knowledge, and I look forward to seeing everyone's approach and perspective on what you think about what I'm about to share with you guys when that video is posted. So stay tuned.